Would you like to time travel or see yourself from behind? Well, I can show you that that's possible. And I can tell you so much about what my topic is today. Welcome to black holes. Black holes are strange things, so I'm going to try and describe them. Black holes are formed from large dying stars, just like neutron stars, but that's a different subject. And we're not talking about that. Black holes have event horizons. These event horizons separate the black hole from space itself. If the event horizon didn't exist, you wouldn't be able to see a black hole. Black holes can shrink to even 10% of the star's original size. Now, I know that was crazy, but did you know that black holes have so much mass, the gravity around it pulls in everything, light, and more? A black hole is like a trap door. You can be safe from it if you don't cross paths, but if you enter the event horizon or fall into the trap door, you can't escape it. A non-spinning black hole has a singularity. The center of the black hole with zero width, zero length, and zero height. Singularities hold all the mass a black hole absorbs. A spinning black hole is much more complicated than a non-spinning one. They have a ringularity, which is a singularity but in the shape of a ring. There are three types of black holes: supermassive, stellar, which is the most common, and primordial. Primordials are the smallest. They can range from an atom's amount of mass to a mountain's amount of mass. There are four layers to a black hole, three if it's non-spinning. The first layer is the outermost layer, or the ergosphere. This is only for spinning black holes. The second layer is the outer layer, or first layer on non-spinning black holes. The outer layer is the event horizon. The inner layer is the black hole itself, and the internal layer is the singularity. The outermost layer is the ergosphere. The ergosphere of a spinning black hole is a region outside the event horizon. It's shaped like a ring, and you cannot stay still once you're inside the ergosphere, so it's almost impossible to leave it. I've already described the rest of the layers when I was describing the black holes. Black bonus fun facts. Black hole singularities all look the same, spinning or not. If you are in the event horizon or at the very edge of a black hole, time is so warped that 60 years would pass in 60 seconds. Light bends around the event horizon, so you'll be able to see yourself from behind. Now, this is what a black hole sounds like. Dark matter, the anomaly of life. It doesn't interact with the electromagnetic force, so it doesn't interact with light. No absorption, no reflecting, and no emitting. Its existence used to be theorized, but after a while, it was determined to be real. It's like a web, holding all the planets, stars, and parts of the universe in place. You might think, why are you telling me this? This is about black holes. Well, I'm about to tell you. I believe that dark matter and black holes are closely intertwined. I say this because the color of black holes and the anomalous properties, like the singularity. Dark matter acts similar, behaving so distinctively you can't mistake it for something else. Black holes are like this too. Dark matter doesn't interact with things like light, electromagnetic force, and other stuff, while black holes distort everything, like time, light, and gravity. I think black holes are made of dark matter, taking up everything in their path. This concludes my rant about black holes. I really like black holes, so it's good to talk about them. I hope my theory is correct. Dark matter and black holes seem so similar. It's almost like they would be the same thing. Thank you for joining me for black holes.